What if the one tool you rely on every single morning is holding you back? What if it's pulling your hair dying mid-trim or just not giving you that sharp clean line you deserve? We've all been there. That's why I tested, measured, and even destroyed the top-selling beard trimmers on the market to find the absolute best. In this video, we're not just listing them, we're crowning a champion. One of these will change your grooming game forever, and the results might just shock you. All the links to the trimmers we tested are in the description below. Let's find your perfect match. Starting at number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is the current top of the line in the Philips Multigroom series of trimmers, and our testing proved it is a versatile powerhouse that fits any beard trimming and grooming needs. It's fully washable, so you can rinse it under the faucet for easy cleanup, or you can take it with you in the shower, if you choose to groom in the shower with the body grooming attachment or body grooming guards. It includes precision, standard, and wide cutting heads, in addition to a foil shaver and ear and nose hair trimmer. There are also 12 guards, 2 of which are adjustable to achieve any desired style and length of trim. Our lead tester, Ben Hickok, says, "This is the one I continuously found myself reaching for, and it kept working on the same charge for weeks." Number 2. Philips Norelco Multigroom. If you want a beard trimmer to get the job done but can't afford to overspend, check out the Philips Norelco Multigroom 5000. It offers plenty of cutting power and precision, providing a burn and chafe-free trimming experience. It includes 3 self-sharpening cutting heads, from wide to precise, 10 fixed-length guards, 1 adjustable guard, and a nose and ear trimmer. The whole trimmer body is also fully washable and can be rinsed under a sink, as opposed to trimmers whose attachments need to be removed and rinsed. Its lithium-ion battery delivers plenty of power and run time, and it quick charges in a few minutes to deliver enough juice for a last-minute trim. We found the base ergonomic and easy to hold. While you can't go wrong with the Philips Norelco Multigroom 5000, it does have some shortcomings. It does not include a foil shaver, and while you can get a close shave with the standard cutting heads, you won't get a perfectly smooth finish, which is only achievable with a foil or razor. If money is tight, and you are willing to trade a bit of battery performance and water resistance for an even lower price, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 is a solid option, and the next step down in the Multigroom family of trimmers. It delivers a clean trim using the same cutting head and basic set of guards used by 5000, but falls short in terms of. Number 3. Philips Norelco Multigroom. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 is a solid entry-level beard trimmer, and is ideal for anyone looking to maintain facial hair or trim body hair with very minimal investment. It includes a set of 7 guards, in addition to a precision cutting head, and a nose and ear trimmer. They are the same self-sharpening stainless steel heads used in the more expensive models of the Multigroom line, which ensure a clean cut, easy maintenance, and a long service life. The 3000 is also relatively compact and ergonomic. Our lead tester, Ben Hickok, said, "The Multigroom 3000 delivers enough power and precision to handle a wide range of trimming and grooming tasks. While the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 offers solid performance, it lacks some refinements and features found in pricier models. It doesn't include a foil shaver, so you won't be able to achieve a baby-smooth shave, and it also lacks guards with adjustable length dials, so you'll need to swap guards to achieve different length trims. The housing has a lighter-duty construction and is not waterproof, and the power switch lacks smooth operation. However, the most significant drawback is the use of a NiMH battery instead of a Li-ion one. While it doesn't skimp on power, it takes significantly longer to charge, has a shorter battery life due to less energy density, and cannot be quick charged to knock out a last-second trim before walking out the door. Still, the trade-offs aren't bad considering the. Number 4. Philips Norelco OneBlade. The seemingly dainty Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus body surprised us with its impressive ability to handle thick beards while offering one of the cleanest and smoothest shaves outside of a traditional razor. Its small size and waterproofing mean it is handy in the shower and can be rinsed clean, reducing overall maintenance. The blade heads pivot and glide smoothly over the skin, with or without guards attached, and are simple to replace when worn. "I can't say it enough, I love this thing," said our lead tester Ben Hickok. It isn't a replacement for larger trimmers or clippers meant for tackling a massive beard, but it does what most would expect from a full-size trimmer in a tiny package. Sizes for shearing a large, thick beard and is more geared toward precision work, close shaves, and shorter beards. The second major shortcoming is a double-edged sword. While the replaceable blades are easy to maintain, they add an ongoing maintenance cost that other trimmers do not have. The OneBlade 360 is shower-proof, but it lacks some of the full. Number 5. Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. The Wahl Cordless Magic Clip is a real workhorse geared toward those who do serious beard trimming and hair cutting. Designed to last, with professionals in mind, Wahl built the Magic Clip like a tank in the style of its corded clippers. While weighty and larger than most trimmers, it still has an ergonomic design that is easy and comfortable to grip. Though rechargeable, it has the familiar cutting power of Wahl's corded models and operates for nearly 2.5 hours on a full charge. The downtime to recharge the battery is only an hour, but it can also run while powered by the charging cable, so you'll never be unable to finish grooming. As our lead tester put it, if you're coming out of a long winter and ready for your spring shearing, this is the tool for the job. Without a cord to hold you back, you can walk out into the yard, buzz someone's head, shorten a beard, and trim up the edges. The Magic Clip allows you to do big jobs quickly and easily. And there you have it, the definitive list for 2025. Whether you're a precision artist or you just need a reliable daily driver, one of these trimmers is your answer. If this video saved you hours of research, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Share this with your friends who need a grooming upgrade. Subscribe and tap the bell because next week we're diving into the best grooming oils and balms to complete your ultimate kit. The links to every single trimmer we featured are in the description. Go get yours.